Hello, and thanks for checking out our video on picking up your Turo vehicle at CLT. Once you get done at baggage claim, head on out and wander across these lanes of traffic through the two tunnel-looking devices there. On the other side is where the shuttle is going to pick you up. We've previously sent you information on getting the shuttle there to you. Just look that up on the messenger via the Turo app. The shuttle will take you to the Courtyard Marriott. Courtyard Marriott's a great hotel. This is exactly what their shuttle looks like. The shuttle will drop you off right at the front here. Unless you'd like to be shuttled around back where the vehicles are, you can certainly ask the driver and he'll take you back there. These are the double doors that you're going to need once you get done with your rental. Remember that. If you're going to walk it, nice easy walk, maybe 60 yards. Follow the concrete path here. Once you get around the corner, you'll see the back corner of the building there. You're going to walk all the way down to the end of the sidewalk. For the purpose of ease, bam, we're at the end of the sidewalk. This is where the vehicle is going to be parked. Now you're going to know what your vehicle looks like already because you'll have a picture of it on your phone. The license plate number will be listed there also. Some of these vehicles may be backed in, so you'll have to look for the license on the back of the vehicle. But because you know what color it is and what it looks like, you'll be able to easily tell which one is yours. Additionally, the majority of our cars are going to have lock boxes hanging on the windows, so it makes them easier to spot. Once you find your car, bam, that one right there. The first thing we're going to get out of the way is some photos. Please take a minimum of 6 photos of the exterior. These are for you, so take pictures, note any damage. You don't want to be responsible for damage in the end. So get as many pictures as you can. They're free, upload as many as you like. Once you've uploaded all the pictures, give us a shout, and we're going to get you a code to the lockbox that's hanging on the back rear window. When you get to the lockbox, open the protective cover, press down the little black lever in the middle on the bottom. That's not a 0. Clear out everything that's been pushed. After you clear out the numbers, enter the code we sent you via the messenger. After you've entered the code, you're just going to pull down on the lever on the top and it will magically open to reveal your key. Once you get that key out, close the box, take that box out of the window and put it somewhere safe until you get back. You're going to need it again. Get inside the vehicle and look around. Look for any damage, look for any junk. If maybe the guy before you didn't clean it out, we need to know that. We just ask that you vacuum it out nice and give it a quick wash on the way back. Take a look in the rear hatch or trunk. Make sure there's nothing crazy hiding in there. Sometimes people leave fun stuff behind. Most times, it's just a clean car. After you get this process finished, time to head on in, fire the car up, and get us a couple other photos. Hop in, crank the car up, shoot us off a picture of the odometer and gas gauge. If you're good with your phone, you can bang these out in one easy picture. Now, if you had problems getting photos of the sides of the car, pull the car out and take some more pictures if you like. This is a good time to do it. When you return, the process for the box is exactly the same, just backwards. Clear out the numbers, enter the code, the same code we gave you previously. After entering the code, it will unlock and allow it to close. Now, make sure it's closed and locked about 40 to 50 times. Make sure you hang it on the back the back driver's window of the car. Close the protective cover, head back up front to where the shuttle will take you back to the airport. When you get up front, head back in those doors. Remember those? Same doors. Head inside, there's some great folks in there who'll get you taken care of and back to the airport. Please leave us a 5-star review. If you can't leave us a 5-star review, let us know why. We're here to help. Thanks for renting with us, and please let us know if you have any questions, problems, or concerns. Have a great rental.